Hi everyone, so in this video we are going to be going over the most accurate way to sketch your drawings before you actually get to paint them or just color them in using colored pencils or whatever. So the first step you have to do is get your reference image and add that grid on top. You can do that by using the link in the description below. There are actually websites that do that for you. Or if you are using a real image, you can actually just use a ruler and divide the length and width by 5, because I've been drawing 5 squares. I found that to be a very nice range to have. But you can just figure out how you want to do it. I used to do 3 squares before, but it was actually a little bit too rough, so I didn't really get an accurate sketch that way. But 5 squares are a really good range to start with, and then you can like add up to it if you want to have more details or a more accurate sketch. Once we have that in place, we are going to be using a ruler or any scale you have lying around to divide the paper you're going to use or the canvas in these same amount. once we have that in place, we are going to be starting the drawing. We're going to be looking at the reference image, like keep looking up to it, and with the grid on top, of course, and then look at like what in the first square, what can you see there, how many lines are there, and try to replicate that onto the paper. That way you don't think of like an ear, that you're drawing the reindeer's ear, but you're drawing a line, and that makes the brain actually more able to like draw something accurately, rather than when you're thinking of drawing an ear or drawing an eye, because the brain already has seen like several eyes before and several ears before. So when you're thinking I'm drawing an ear, he's gonna just draw an ear he's seen before, rather than actually drawing the ear in front of you on your reference image. So I found that this way is actually a really nice way to shut out the brain. There are obviously other methods to like get it to an accurate sketch, but I found that the best one for me, like currently. Maybe later I'll change, maybe I'll go back to tracing again, I don't know. But for the moment, I found that to be very beneficial, and that's why I wanted to show it to you, so you actually get to try it out, because I didn't do it before. Before I was always like, it's an easy method and it doesn't get you an accurate sketch, but it actually does. So just give it a try, and don't forget to tag me so I actually see the stuff you create with it. Other than that, I'll just leave you to it. Watch me sketch this reindeer out, and you can just follow along or just watch me do it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, hopefully next week. And other than that, you can check out the links down below to purchase a print, to access more tutorials than just this one, and to see some progress videos of my paintings. So thanks a lot again.